Little baby cardinals. What's that?
There's stickers over there, kiddo. There's sticks, not sticks, but it's all stick cells poked in your feet over there.
Well, you know what that puzzle piece I got from the store that had these? Yeah, you know?